How to fix the Facebook unable to log in into your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the error occur. So the steps are really simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to check out your internet connection. For that you have to go into your setting. Now from here you have to go into your Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you are currently using, and from here you have to check out that your internet connection is secure or not. And after that you just have to go back and go in the general, and you have to click on the iPhone storage. Now from here you just have to scroll down and go into your Facebook. So once you are in, you have to click on the offload app. So now basically the offloading your Facebook, it will free up all of the storage that is used by the app, and you just have to offload it. So once you offload your Facebook, you just have to go back, go into your app store, and from here you have to search for the Facebook. Now you just have to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of your Facebook. So you just have to update it. So once you update your Facebook and you are still not able to fix this, so you just have to restart your phone and you are able to fix the error occurred by the Facebook. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.